Hi guys, this is another short video about another small problem on the Kapwing video editor and how to solve this thing. We have here the two main clips, and here the problem is that we cannot extend this clip to the left side. So usually it should be possible to extend any clip where we have been cutting off stuff again to the left side. I mean, this happens a lot, not only on Kapwing. This is a general problem when you do video editing. You cut things out and then you realize that you have been cutting off too much, and then you want to get things back. And this usually works with all the video editors, but sometimes in Kapwing it is a problem. So you see, I have marked this clip here, and so it has a yellow frame, and usually we can go here, and so we can click and keep clicked with the left mouse button and then drag to the left side. And you can see it's not working. It's absolutely not working. It's not even working when you are using Control and the mouse button and click and hold and drag it to the left side for whatever reason. And I can guarantee that this clip is longer because it's actually the same clip as here, so it's combined and it's usually not a problem. And so the solution is to take advantage of one of the benefits of Kapwing, and this is that we have basically unlimited tracks and we don't have to add them manually. We can just drag a clip down and it will add a second track, and as soon as we are down here on the second track we can drag this thing to the front. You can see it's pretty much same thing here. I've been just cutting out a little bit or splitting and then cutting out something. I don't know why this is the case, so I think I just need this word here, and when we move it up again, and especially when we have activated this ripple mode and snap that will adjust all the clips around, we can just drag it up again and it will adjust, and we have this word which was missing back. So this is how it works. I haven't found any other option how we can drag this or like increase the size here. Yeah, maybe let's go back here and try without the snap and without the ripple mode. And now, yeah, and even with Control, yeah, it's not working. We really have to drag it down and then do it here and then drag it up again. This is how it works. Unfortunately, it should be like that. This is definitely a bug, but if I report that, they wouldn't do anything. So let's leave it like that. We know how to work around, and so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.